Welcome to the video on the new 256GB standard. Modern technology demands modern storage, and we'll explore why this new capacity is essential. In the past, 128GB was sufficient. However, the rise of on-device AI changes storage requirements significantly. Local AI processes data directly on your device, disconnecting the phone from the cloud. This high speed requires a substantial amount of local storage. Local AI immediately demands 40GB to 60GB of dedicated space. This dedicated space is gone before you even start using the device. High-resolution 4K video also consumes significant space. Modern cameras quickly fill up older, smaller storage drives. 256GB accommodates these new technologies, along with essential system updates, daily apps, and years of photos. It guarantees peace of mind for the average user. Match your profile to the right capacity. 256GB is the ideal standard for the average user, balancing app usage, media habits, and future needs while offering peace of mind.